Hi, it's Richard from Risk and Safety Compliance Services. It's been a while since I did one of my little videos, so now that I'm getting back into my Arriva audits, I'm down here today, just finished an audit here at Maidstone, where we go round and do an independent audit of all of the operations within the bus depot, just to make sure local management and workers are compliant with the Arriva standards and also general health and safety standards. I just wanted to get back on and say hello and quickly update a couple of things going on. I'll only take about 45 seconds, 50 seconds of your time. We have recently revamped the website. I would welcome you to go along and have a look at the website, where we've updated the look and the feel of it. We also have added some new services and products, and in particular one worth mentioning is CanTrack, where we've partnered with CanTrack, and we can offer you unbeatable and unobtainable discounts, unless you come through us, on asset and vehicle tracking solutions. So I would urge you to go and have a look at that. There's plenty of videos and information and a free download on the website. We still provide loads of health and safety training. There's all the online stuff, got over 100 health and safety courses. We also do IOS managing safely. As I'm stood here finishing off my audit down in Maidstone, we are running an IOS managing safely 3-day management course up in Northumberland, in a very well-known landed estate. So we can provide those not just for farms and estates, but for all sectors of industry. So we've got our training, we've got our heavy engineering audits and our online training services, plus of course access to CanTrack. Give us a shout anytime you need any advice or information, even if it's just a bit of free advice that you need. Do get in touch. We encourage you to email or phone us at any time, and if we can help out, we certainly will do. But we can also guarantee providing you with a great service, punctual, reliable, competent health and safety service in all matters agriculture, all matters landed estate, and all matters health and safety, and in particular heavy engineering audits in garages, bus depots and the public transport sector. So I hope you're well, and I shall put more of my little chats up as I move around the country. Now we're moving back into audit territory. Get in touch anytime. That's me, that's Richard Wade at Risk and Safety Compliance Services at www.rascs.co.uk. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.